Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha Tania, and here on this channel we talk about all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle. And today, if you can tell by the title, we are doing something really crazy, but I'm trying to find my personal style in the next 31 days. If you are new to the channel, I embarked on a journey where I am doing a no buy challenge where I'm not buying any clothes for the entire year, and I'm shopping my closet all year because that's what I need to do. I am on a journey to find my personal style, and I'm hoping I can find it in the next 31 days. I don't know if I can, but we're going to try together. So I'm getting dressed every day for 31 days, and I'm having you guys join me in the challenge. So I'll be posting every day for 10 minutes a day what I'm wearing and why I'm wearing it. And it's just going to be me getting dressed and probably just chatting through. Some of them may be silent. Some of them may be a voiceover. I'm not entirely sure. It depends on how I feel. You guys know, if you are a creator or not, that posting every day is going to be difficult. So I hope you enjoy this. We are getting dressed today. I'm in a gray mood. It's raining today. So today is day 1. I'm hoping that you guys will join me on this journey. Hopefully at day 31, I have a sense of idea of what my style is. Even if I don't like the outfit, I'm going to talk through it and we're going to try and work it out together. Hopefully by the end of the 31 days, I get an idea of what my sense of style is, or just have a video log of things and what they look like on me and decide if I want to keep them. I've been decluttering my closet for some time. I'm taking it slow. I'm going through my closet and trying on everything I wear. So I'm touching everything, I'm feeling everything, and I want to get dressed every day with you guys. So if that's something you're going to enjoy, please consider subscribing. Make sure you like this video, share with a friend who is also on a journey to find their personal style. And if you think today's outfit will inspire someone, I hope this is inspiring to you. And until next time, bye. See you tomorrow.